Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ryan. This is my design CR dart. It's my first time designing a paper dart. It uses a diagonal design just like the Mach 5 Merrill dart. It doesn't use a triangular design, and here's how you hold it and then throw it. The center of gravity for CR dart is at the very top, as there's many paper layers here. It can fly as far as 50 meters if you throw it with all your strength. Unfortunately, when I threw it, it landed out of the tennis court, and it was only my first throw. Okay, so let's start folding this paper plane. You will need an 100 to 120 GSM A4 paper. First step, this is quite unusual in paper planes. Form a line between the bottom left corner and the top right corner. And then fold it like this along the crease, but leave about 1 centimeter's gap over here. Fold this part, remember to also leave a 1 centimeter gap here. This is to reinforce the nose. Then fold it along the original crease. Here, please leave a gap like this. Here, take out a pen and circle this part. Measure the point here. Then we fold it from this point. This point is going to be the nose of the paper plane, and then to this point. It's a bit unclear here, so I'll mark it with a pen. It's here. Fold it to here. Then fold here to the crease. Then fold it up again with the crease we made. After that, it's just like the normal paper darts, doing the repetitive rolling fold. Sometimes the paper is just too hard or too difficult to fold if you're using 120 GSM, and there would be wrinkles. So I purchased this one only for taping javelin planes. It's sort of a tape you can use to keep the paper together, but it doesn't stick to the paper, so you can remove it. You can just use regular tape, it's fine. And then use your ruler to press down the paper. After you've done your repetitive folding like this, we're going to make the inner plug structure. Fold it like this, and then this step is quite hard, so you have to put this little paper piece into the pocket. This is the inner plug structure with all the two-sided paper darts. You can use a tool to help you get that in there. It takes practice to fold paper darts precisely. Paper darts aren't like glider paper planes because they have an upper limit at about 60 meters, while glider paper airplanes can go over 100 meters. That's its disadvantage, but its advantage is that it's very stable if you throw it with your entire strength. Okay, once you plugged this part in, it should be fine. Take some tape and we'll secure the front part. After you have taped the front, we are going to fold the entire thing in half. It takes a lot of strength to fold this thing in half, so you can use tools like a good quality ruler or scraper to help you. Folding the dart in half provides a rigid spine for the dart, and it stops bending at release, making it more aerodynamic. As you can see here, the part near the nose is very stiff, so you have to press it down firmly. After you've done that, congrats! See, our dart is complete. When throwing the plane, remember to hold the handle here. It's designed for you to hold it here and then throw it like this. The distance largely depends on how hard you throw it. That's it for this video. I'm Ryan. See you in the next tutorial.